Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have ordered our battery module kit for your Nissan Leaf, you will need to reuse your original battery case. The first step, you will need to dismantle the original battery pack. So this video, we will show you how to safely dismantle the original battery module and the components from inside the battery case, avoiding common mistakes during the assembling process. Okay, let's get started. First, remove the fixing screws for the battery case cover. Remove the screws on the service plug. Use a pry tool to spread the battery case. Use a utility knife to cut the sealing rubber ring. You may need to cut it several times, so please operate with caution. Now the battery case cover is removed. This battery pack is 24 kWh battery. The BMS is right here, so first we must remove the BMS. Remove the screws. Disconnect all signal harness on the BMS. Okay, the BMS is removed. Now remove the high voltage bus bar. Remove all the power cables. Remove this plug on the current sensor. Remove the cross beam on the battery case. Remove the service plug together with the current sensor. Remove the high voltage interlock plug under the service plug. Remove the signal harness on the modules. Disconnect the connectors. Remove the temperature sensors. Remove the low voltage signal harness. Remove these two plugs on the relay module. They are from PTC plug. Remove high voltage output bus bar. Remove relay module. Remove the low voltage signal harness. Remove the fixing screws between the modules. Remove the bracket on the battery case. Remove the high voltage output bus bar bracket. Okay, the all screws between the modules has been removed. Use the lifting ropes to lift out the modules and put them on the panel. Okay, the battery case is empty. Attention, before installing the new modules, please make sure there are no foreign objects such as the screws and the nuts inside the battery case. Thanks for your watching.